In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can hide your notification previews when your iPhone is locked. Just like my notification previews right here. Let's say I have left my phone to charge. Whenever I receive notifications, anyone can read them without unlocking my phone. This might sometimes be embarrassing and steps into your privacy as well. To avoid this, you will have to hide your notification previews whenever your iPhone is locked. To do this, simply head into your phone settings. Then select Notifications. Tap right here on Show Previews. To select Never, your notifications will appear like this even if your phone is unlocked. If you select When Unlocked, your notifications will only show when your phone is unlocked. That's how easy it is to hide notification previews on your iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.